Today we're going to make lemon cheesecakes. Let's get started. First we're going to make our crust. So I have a package of 9 grams here. So let's grind these up. And if you don't have a food processor, that's totally fine. You can also use a rolling pin. 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, which is 1/2 stick of butter. I feel like this recipe produces a different amount of cheesecakes each time, but it's usually around 18 cheesecakes. So I'm just going to line 18 cupcake holders with liners. You're going to add a spoonful of your crust, like a heaping spoonful, like this much, to the bottom of each of your liners. And then just use your clean fingers to sort of press it down, like this. So now I'm just going to bake these at 350 for 5 minutes. All right, I'm gonna stick these in the oven and then we can work on our cheesecake batter. Fit your mixer with a paddle attachment. Start creaming together 2 8-ounce packages of full fat cream cheese. I like to use Philadelphia cream cheese always. And do not treat this like butter and leave it out on your counter to soften. You can't do that, you'll get food poisoning. It'll take a while for these to fully cream together. Just have patience, keep your mixer speed on low, and just keep scraping the bowl. Time to scrape. Add a pinch of salt, 1 cup of sugar, and keep mixing. Give your bowl another scrape. It's really important to keep scraping your bowl with cheesecakes, so that way you don't have any lumpy bits. And I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sour cream. Scrape your bowl again. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract. The zest of 1 lemon. And I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon as well. And I have a sifter here to catch my seeds. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs, but I'm only going to add them 1 at a time. And I'm going to scrape my bowl in between additions. So I'm going to let the egg fully incorporate. And I'm going to scrape my bowl. Egg number 2. And lastly, I'm going to add a small amount of yellow food coloring for fun. Give your bowl 1 last scrape and 1 last mix. Amazing. I'm going to evenly distribute this onto my crusts. Now we're not going to fill them up all the way. Maybe like 2/3 of the way up. Like this. Perfect. I'm going to bake these at 325 for 18 minutes. Okay, so my timer went off. I'm going to turn my oven off. Now the thing with cheesecakes is that they prefer a slower cooler down. That will help prevent your cheesecakes from sinking. So with my oven off, I'm just going to crack open my lower oven a bit, so that way my cheesecakes can slowly cool down. And I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes. Okay, my timer went off, so I'm just going to remove these from the oven. So now I'm just going to let these sit out at room temperature for 1/2 hour until the pan gets a little cool down. And then I'm going to go ahead and put them in my fridge where I will let them rest overnight. So come back tomorrow to see how I top them.